A critical step that most beginners aren't aware of is how to send your SLP off of your Ronin account to your MetaMask account without losing your SLP. My comments are full of poor souls who tried to send their SLP off of their Ronin account to their MetaMask without realizing they have to pay a gas fee. Now their SLP is stuck in the middle, all of that hard work to earn that SLP, and they may not ever be able to get it back. Let's go through it together so you don't fall victim to losing your SLP from your Ronin to your MetaMask account. To begin with, what is a gas fee and why do we need to pay it? Well, you see, Ronin is a wallet that's a layer 2 of Ethereum, meaning in order to get assets from Ronin wallet back to Ethereum chain, you have to pay a gas fee incentive for miners to go ahead and execute that transaction. Everyone is using Ethereum these days, so it costs more to get miners' attention to execute your transaction. It is critical to check this site before you withdraw your SLP from your Ronin account so you can determine what the gas fee will cost you. The price to withdraw SLP right now is $90.26 in gas fees, so this is a horrible time to withdraw SLP from your Ronin account. Be sure to check this site before you withdraw your SLP from your Ronin account. So how do you pay the gas fee when it comes time to transferring your SLP off of your Ronin account to your MetaMask account? Well, first, if you don't have a MetaMask account, click the link above. I went through a tutorial on how you can set up your MetaMask account. You're going to need to load your MetaMask account with some Ethereum. The easiest way to buy Ethereum is on a site like Coinbase or Binance. I'm going to show you how to buy Ethereum on Coinbase today. Go to Coinbase website. I will post a link in the description below. Once you're inside Coinbase's website, go ahead and click buy and sell. If this is your first time using Coinbase's site, you'll probably need to set up some information, maybe include your credit card in there or your bank account so then you can buy Ethereum. After you do that, go ahead and click buy, sell. You want to click buy, go down, change Bitcoin to Ethereum, then select how you're going to pay for that, and then you'll designate how much Ethereum you want to buy. Based on the gas prices we looked at earlier, it was quite high. I would recommend going with at least $50 to make sure that you can pay for those gas fees when you want to send your SLP off of Ronin. Once you've purchased Ethereum, you want to select how much Ethereum you want to send. Go to your MetaMask wallet, copy your wallet address, paste it into the to category, list how much Ethereum you want to send, click continue, and then go ahead and sign that transaction to send it over to your MetaMask wallet. All right, so now once you have Ethereum on your MetaMask wallet, you want to confirm that it is in your account. Go ahead and check your MetaMask wallet to make sure that Ethereum is there. After you have confirmed that Ethereum is there, go back to the Axie gas prices and look to see what the price is. Do not start the transaction unless you have more Ethereum in your wallet than what it costs to withdraw the SLP. And lastly, you need to add the SLP token to your MetaMask wallet so that when you send the SLP from your Ronin to your MetaMask wallet, you can see it in your MetaMask wallet. Go to CoinGecko, type in SLP, click on SLP, and then click the Add to MetaMask button here. That will add the token to your MetaMask wallet, which will allow you to see that token after you sent it from your Ronin to your MetaMask wallet. So that's just a quick guide on the importance of having Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet to pay for those gas fees of sending SLP from your Ronin to your MetaMask wallet. This video didn't cover how to exchange that SLP to your fiat currency like PHP or US dollars or whatever that may be. That might be a future video. Let me know if you're interested in a video like that. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. Please like this video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.